Hi friends, a very good morning to all of you. Here we are discussing only the disease and what we should do in form of exercise. Okay, so remember, my dear friends, you know why you need exercise. I'll say every person who is crossing their 28 to 30, if we will cross our 28 to 30, there is chances to get affected with any of the disease because of our food pattern and the lifestyle and the thought pattern, all this. Okay, now come to the problem number one, that is allergy. Why allergy happens? Allergy is also happening, my dear friends, because of, I'll say, the main cause is that you have understood the mind level, now you understand the bodily level. Okay, in body level I'll say allergy is happening because your hemoglobin is pH is not proper, and for that what you need to do, you need to do some pranayam. Okay, and breathing exercises are very much important. Even if you don't do asanas, it's okay and fine, but breathing exercises are very much important, because remember, my dear friends, pranayam means what? We are giving dynamism to our prana. What is prana? Prana is living energy, the part by which we are alive. We are alive with prana shakti, we are alive with our living organism. We are not alive with the food, my dear friends, because if we are alive with the food, then we can, if somebody died and we can inject his favorite food in his body, and that person should get alive, but it does not happen. Why? Because the prana has moved from the body. So how can you can say that, how can you awaken your prana? You can awaken your prana only with the help of pranayam. Okay, and what are the pranayams, my dear friends? And these pranayams are for each and everybody, because all the diseases are happening because of food, and food is not getting digested somewhere. Okay, so those pranayams, first of all, you need to do a Bhastrika pranayam. Okay, Baba Ramdev is the master of pranayama. Okay, but what I'll do, after some time I'll send his videos also to whom what pranayama has to do, right? Small videos I will send you all, you can watch that. I'm giving you the name Bhastrika pranayam. Okay, because in Bhastrika we take long breath and we leave long breath. So in that, our prana shakti, you can say that, or our living organism gets so much strengthened. Okay, and it gets heals inside. And remember, my dear friends, one thing, whenever you are taking breath, okay, or whenever you are taking long breath, then just you remember, you are taking all positivity from inside, or you can affirm that, you can affirm that I'm feeling better and better. My all body cells, my all the diseases are getting healed. Okay, I'm feeling the healing inside. Okay, and when you are losing the breath, or when you are leaving the breath, that time you have to keep that intention in mind. I'm leaving my disease. Okay, whatever disease you are suffering from, just be with that intention. Whatever negativity, whatever disease I have, with this breath it has gone. Because my dear friends, it's a long story. Our thoughts also comes with the breath. With each and every breath we consume the thoughts too. Okay, now come to the point. I'll not go in much more detail. So another thing is that allergy, we got allergy problem was with the Arish sir also. Okay, so I think you have got the answer, Hari sir and Arya sir. Now the thing is that Shweta ma'am. Okay, Shweta ma'am has a problem of, I think his problem I have not written here. Okay, Shashikala ma'am, I am coming to you. Gallstone. Okay, and you're taking a homeopathic medicine for gallstone. I'll tell you, I'm sending you a video. Okay, in pranayama there are especially 8 pranayama. Okay, and what is that? First Bhastrika, second Kapalbhati, third Agnisar Kriya. Okay, then you can say that Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika, Anulom Vilom, then Bhramari, Udgit, meditation. Okay, these 5 pranayam are much more important, and it can be done by any age of the person. Now the thing is that, understand, when you will do pranayam, what will happen? When you will do pranayam means you are working on your breathing, and what happens? Till now we are only feeding to our body, we are not moving to our body, and our food will get digested when our body will move. And nowadays we know, my dear friends, even work is going on from work to home. We have not to go outside. 80% of the people, 70% of the people are not going outside. We are sitting at home. Okay, and if we are sitting at home, you can understand what is happening. There is no movement. So if there is no movement, how the food will get digested? I'll say, a laborer who is a laborer, you will see that person eats more. Why he eats more? Because he is doing the physical work. So in the physical work, his food get digested. But if we are sitting at one place, then we have to consume less food, because our food, we need less food here. Okay, that's why you will find the diet of the wrestler and other people, how giant they are and how stronger they are. Okay, now the thing is that one more problem, Shashikala ma'am, feeling tired most of the time, hemoglobin is not, So if you are feeling tired most of the time, then hemoglobin, just you check your hemoglobin, it will be not proper, okay. But even if you are not checking, it's okay, fine. Do the pranayam. Kapalbhati will be best for you, and Anulom Vilom, okay. But for pranayama, I am sending you, already I have sent you video, but I am sending you 1-2 videos more, okay. One I will send you in 20 minutes, one I will send you in 1 hour also, those who wants the complete understanding of the pranayam, okay. And I'll say everybody do the pranayam. Pranayam is something, I'll say, my dear friends, it's a miracle, okay. I'll say it's a Aladdin ka chirag, okay, for anybody who is suffering from any kind of disease. And Baba Ramdev, he has given each and every detail, and we can trust on him. You can't trust me, might be you will say you are like me, Jyoti, okay, well, how are you so much expert and all, but you can trust him, right? So I'm sending him. It's not I'm promoting him or anything. I'm finding he is the icon for yoga and pranayam. He's the best person to give that knowledge, so that's why I'm just recommending him to you, okay. And asthma for past 30 years, itching, all these diseases I have seen through pranayam. Even asthma, it's it can be cured, but if it is quite old, then it will take little time to get cured. But my dear friends, I'm telling you, if we want to get rid of diseases, remember one thing. If you are hoping, Jyoti, I was waiting for that, you will say any of the medicine, you will take the name of a medicine, I will take 2-3 doses and it will be over. My dear friends, no, I can't do that. Listen, if it was possible from medicine, then I think you would have been already cured yourself, okay, because you all have already tried for that, right? The next thing is that thyroid, okay. So for thyroid people, I'll say do Kapalbhati, Ujjayi, and to do some Sarvangasana, Halasan. This will help you, okay. And how to do that, I'll send you video. Just you watch the video, follow the video. Now you will say, agar galat hua to, if I do wrong, what will happen? Nay, listen, even if you will do wrong, no issue at all, okay. Watch again and again. Your mind knows whether you are doing it right or wrong. If you will do wrong, your mind itself will say, hey Shashikala, you are doing wrong, just rectify it. Just be cautious, okay. The moment when you will be cautious now at a consciousness level, then even your wrongs, your mind will say how to rectify it. You will again, and after just I will say watch with the video most of the time, okay. Most of the time you just do the exercises with the video, okay. What will happen? Then each and every time when repetition will come, you will get more clarity, okay. And when the moment when you become so much active, हाँ अभी आ गया सब मैं अपने से कर सकता हूँ कर सकती हूँ, then at that moment what you can do, that moment you can play even strangest secret in the world and you can do your pranayama. Sometimes I do that, okay, because I have done many times. I have done my course yoga teacher training also with Patanjali, okay. So I'm okay with that. Now the thing is that one more problem, Kapalbhati we discussed here, yes. Allergy was there. So acid reflux. In acid reflux is also somewhere, sir, the problem of, I'll say, it's a problem of food is not getting digested. I researched onto that, okay. And so what is the solution? You have to follow the food pattern. How can we digest our food? As I have told you, digestion should be proper. Another thing, I'm giving you a very good point here right now. My dear friends, make a habit of taking Haritiki. What is Haritiki? Haritiki in Hindi is known as Harad. Okay, Harad means small, it's like tablets. Okay, you can say that. Harad is in Ayurveda. It is Harad. Okay, and you can get the powder of Haran or Haritiki from Patanjali. Buy it, and whilst going to bed, before going to bed, I'll say after having your food and after 1 or 2 hours. Keep lukewarm water 2 glass, okay, as much hot you can take, okay, and take 1/4 spoon of more than half spoon of haritki, okay, and even take 1 spoon. But in the morning, if you go to washroom for 2 to 3 times, it's okay. In the very beginning, whatever the bad part is there in your body, stool, that will get clear. But if you 2-3 days you are finding the same, then you do one thing, you reduce the number. This means you use only I'll say you use only you can say that more than half spoon, okay. That will be okay with you, right? Because it oxygenates your body, increases the oxygen in your body 100% more whatever you are doing. So by this your hemoglobin pH will be also well enough, okay. So I'll say, and Haritiki, it's a very beautiful thing, do it, right? Okay, my dear friends, I'm just bye, take care. We will see you again in next video, and I hope if still you not need more clarification, then please come in my 2 hours of webinar. Those who are interested, send me in personal in chat personal window. Please send me the address. I'll send it to you. Bye. Take care.